Crafty, and if you're into home decor DIY crafty videos, then this is the place to be. Please do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell when YouTube asks. I upload new videos every single week, so please consider sticking around. It would be great to have you. Now, what am I bringing you today? Today we have DIY 11 of my Fab 12 DIYs of Christmas series, and this DIY is how to make Christmas Eve boxes out of a standard plain wooden box. I show you how to stencil it, how to paint it, how I'm doing all the ones for my children, and I hope you enjoy the video. For this Christmas Eve box, I have this lovely plain wood box here. It's about roughly an A4 size, slightly smaller. And it's just got a little brass clisp at the front. Opens up, just empty inside. It's thinnish wood, but it will do what I need it to do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stain the tops and the sides. And then what I will do after that, I will stencil in names on the top and possibly Xmas or Christmas or something along those lines, or it may just stay with the name on the top. I'll just see how I feel when I do it. So the colour I'm going to stain it is this lovely oak garden furniture stain. I just love the colour of this. It brings out a brilliant colour of the wood. And then I'm just going to apply it using a foam brush. Okay, so the next step is to stencil on top. So I have these metal stencils that I'm going to use. This is for my daughter, her name's Summer. So I'm going to have to repeat the M, and I don't have an R, so I'm going to use this N and draw it around freehand on the end there. So it's going to say Summer across the middle. And then I'm using a selection of these wooden embellishments I have here. I've laid them out like this. I'm going to paint them all different colours. I'm going to stick them on, and then potentially, I'm not too sure yet, I have a selection of gems that are self-adhesive that I shall put on the top, maybe a couple of these on the Christmas tree around, and on these for decoration. I'm going to use this 3D fabric paints from Colour. Now these should give a little bit of a puffy effect if I dab them on a little bit more with the paintbrush. So let's see how that goes. So unfortunately I lost the footage of all this, but what I did is I used my glue gun and I stuck each of these painted embellishments on, and for the baubles I dotted some of the fabric paint all over it, different colours, just to give it a bauble-y effect. And then same on the bottom, using my glue gun, I stuck on the embellishments, all the different shapes, reindeer, tree, bell and rocking horse. So what did I put in the box? Well, I shredded up some tissue paper just to give it a softer and something to put the presents on. And I've got this mug from Waitrose, a lovely Ho 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 Holly one, and a Malteser hot chocolate sachet, and I put some marshmallows in a little pot. Now that was what was inside the box, and to go with the Christmas Eve gifts, I've got the Toy Story box set, the Wonky Donkey book, and these gorgeous, gorgeous fluffy pyjamas. These were from Primark. And there you go, that's how I made the Christmas Eve box for my daughter and what I put in it. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a massive thumbs up. And if you've got any suggestions how you guys were inspired doing your own, please let me know in the comment section below. All your likes and comments really do help my channel grow, and I appreciate every single one. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas!